Friday, YouTubers. Here we go again. We have another special Govee home unboxing coming on Amazon. Check them out. Link is going to be down below. We're going to get one of these. Wi-Fi thermal hygrometer. Govee. Alright. So we got some spiffy stuff in here. What is this stuff you speak of? Oh, that's probably mounting brackets. And I don't think I'm going to need those. Oh, just like a harness. Come on. I'm going to have to cut this. Yeah, see, you can mount this on the wall. Got a 3M sticky tape right here. And there we go. We got this right here. Gotta peel this off. Boom. Batteries included. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Let's see if we need the app. Where's the manual? What did I do with it? Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, we do need an app. So on your app, you just go click here. You go Smart Health. There she is. Right there. 5072. You got to use your Bluetooth, set that all up. And it should... in a second. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. No, it's spinning, Rooney. It is spinning. Come on. Rescan. There we go. Maybe because it wasn't flashing. You just gotta hold this button down for a few seconds. Hopefully it likes it. Come on, be nice. Be nice to us. So we could show this thermometer. Wi-Fi. Govee. Uh-oh. Rescan. Alright, guys, let's see. Come on. You guys are buddies. Come on. Be nice. But once you get it, and it'll show up the month, day. Uh-oh. Try this again. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's what it looks like. Front to back. Like I said. This. There we go. And then kind of like that, you can mount it, but I'm not sure why. Aha! We found it under Govee Home on your Bluetooth. Totally forgot it's Bluetooth, so it is pairing right there. Here we go. We got the juice. Yay! So that's really easy to do. And like I said, once you hook it up, just go back on the app, click on it, and it'll show what to do. But really cool, guys. Really cool device. And you can I have this anywhere in your home or your office. And then it will pop up right in this section with this one. So it'll show the same results like day, week, month, year, and hour by hour. So definitely check them out. Govee, great products, great stuff they have. Great discounts, great sales. You guys be safe. Have a good night. See you soon.